Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and today I'm joined by Chris Godfrey from Forever Transfers USA. Chris, how you doing today?
I am doing well, Jared. How are you today?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking, man.
Thank you for inviting me in. I'm really happy to be here.
Dude, it's our pleasure to have you. Now, we got a lot of frequently asked questions from people regarding white toner and Forever Transfer, so I'm hoping you can kind of answer some of those questions for us today.
That's what I'm here to do, drop some gems. Let's go.
Let's do it. Okay, so first one right off the top is, what can I make with a white toner system?
Jared, why would you ask me that question?
It comes up a lot.
Guys, what can't you make with a white toner printer is probably the better question to ask me. Especially with Forever's products, I mean, we can start from substrates like wood, to cotton t-shirts, to glass, aluminum, metal, cork, leather. Whew, okay, what can't you make with a white toner printer? Like I said, it's probably the best question. The versatility on it is amazing. You're not gonna be stuck to just one substrate type or even one substrate blend or poly blend or cotton or just one of those. You have the world to work with.
All right, so next question. What kind of heat press should I use with Forever Transfer paper?
Okay, so as long as you have a quality heat press, I mean great edge-to-edge pressure, great edge-to-edge heat, something that maintains that heat, you should be in a good ballpark. Like your shirt already says, anti-Amazon Heat Press Club. Just because it can get here in 2 to 3 business days, guys, doesn't mean it's the best quality product for you. You may want to do a bit of research to see what may be best for your product or what works best for your product. Insta256 Heat Press. It works amazing with our product, but there's a lot of other products out there that work extremely well as well.
And by the way, you can get the Insta256 at heatpressnation.com.
You can, come get it.
All right, so here's another one.
Oh, shoot.
Sometimes when using the Forever two-step paper, in the A-B marriage, some of the toner stays on the B sheet. How do we fix that?
Okay, so if you're running into this issue, it's usually one of the big three: time, temperature, or pressure. You need to make sure you're looking at your instructions correctly to make sure all of them are following it accordingly. Forever actually has the instructions in every single order that goes out, so you can make sure to check that time, temperature, and pressure to make sure that you're using the product to the most advantage that you can. So just check those and you should be fine.
All right, what is the maintenance required for a white toner printer?
Oh, this is my favorite question out of all the questions anyone can ask me. Guys, maintenance on a white toner printer is nothing. It's barely anything. I'm telling you, there's barely any maintenance, barely any cleaning involved with it. You can cut that printer off, go on vacation, go to have dinner, come back in 2 weeks, turn it back on, and get back to making money. Other printers like a DTF or sublimation, if you do happen to turn those off at any point, you may run into a clogged ink line. And guys, please remember, some of these companies don't warranty clogged ink lines. So you may run into a $2,000, $3,000 issue that you have to work with.
All right, last question.
All right.
How do Forever two-step transfers feel, and how long do they last?
Oh, Jared, this is a great one as well. Now, didn't you just have a baby?
I did, yeah.
And how does your baby feel?
Oh, he's the softest little thing ever.
And that's what you should say about Forever paper.
There we go.
Probably some of the softest feeling paper out there overall. I mean, it's almost like you're running your hand just over the fabric of the garment instead of actually running it over a graphic on top of that garment. I love it. Probably some of the softest paper out there, and the longevity of it, the washability of it, chef's kiss overall. I mean, with standard washing, you're looking at about 30 to 50 washes before you even notice any type of anything on the paper going on overall. But if you do follow the manufacturer's usage instructions with the cold wash and hang dry, you may be looking at even more, 50 to 70 washes overall.
Dude, that's a lot of washes.
I'm telling you.
Awesome. Well, hey, Chris, thank you so much for coming on today, answering some of those common questions about white toner and Forever products. And yeah, thanks for joining us.
Thank you. Nice to see you again, Jared.
You too. We'll see you around.
Poop poop.